Good morning, children. Let's start the computer class. Chapter 4, Editing in MS Word 2010. Today's topic, deleting text and inserting text. First of all, I'll show you how to delete any text in MS Word. So let's begin. There are two ways to delete any text in MS Word. One with the help of delete key, another one with the help of backspace key. So first I'll show you how to use backspace key. For that you will have to keep the cursor to the right hand side of the text. So just click like this, click, then the cursor will blink. Now use the backspace key to delete character, one character from left hand side of the cursor. Now let me press the backspace key. See, one character from left hand side gets deleted using backspace key. This is the backspace key. To delete any word from the left of the cursor, press Ctrl and backspace key together. Then you can see the whole word will be deleted like this, like this, like this, like this. Now I'll show you the use of delete key. For that you need to place the cursor to the left hand side of the letter, and delete key deletes the character from the right hand side. So my cursor over here is blinking here just before the word dog. So I am pressing delete key. See, one character from the right hand side gets deleted like this, like this. Now let me take the cursor here before lazy. Let me delete one character gets deleted using the delete key. Now see the delete button. So this is the delete button. This is the delete button. This one is the delete button. To delete the word quick, you have to place the cursor before Q and press Ctrl and delete key together. See, one character means one word will be deleted. If I want to delete brown, then Ctrl delete. If I press brown, the word brown gets deleted. To delete entire paragraph, you need to first select the paragraph. So to select the entire paragraph, I am pressing Ctrl A. Paragraph will be selected and press the delete button. Now see the work of inserting text. Now how to insert a text? Here I wrote to insert the text, add the required position. So I missed the word pointer. So I have to take the cursor over here. With the help of mouse also you can take, just click, and now I will type pointer at the required position. So this is the work of inserting text. Let's deleting text. If we make mistake while typing the text, we can easily remove the text using backspace or delete key. Inserting text. To insert the text, place the pointer at the required position where you want to insert the text and click. Insertion point is the cursor which appears on the screen to indicate the position where the inserted text will appear. Backspace. For using backspace key, click to the right of the cursor and press backspace key. The character to the left of the cursor gets deleted, and to delete the word left to the insertion point, press Ctrl plus backspace. Delete key. For using delete key, click to the left of the cursor and press delete key. The character to the right of the cursor gets deleted. And to delete a word on the right of the cursor, press Ctrl plus delete key. That's all for today, dear children. Thank you. Have a nice day and practice till inserting text and read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.